Hello brothers and sisters. In this video I am going to solve one of the CSIR net question which is based on classical mechanics. So let's start it. See, this is the question. See, in this they are saying consider a particle with total energy E, means the energy of the particle is E, moving in one dimension in a potential Vx, and that is moving in a potential which is Vx as shown in the figure below. See, you can see in the figure that total energy is given as E and this is potential V. Now from this graph we can conclude that the particle is moving in a potential V, and we can easily observe how its position is changing at different potential. So what is in the question? What is asked in a question? See, in the question it is asked which of the following figure represent the orbit of particle in a phase space. Means some of the figures are given to us, and from these figures we need to find out what can be the orbit of the particle in a phase space. So to draw the orbit of a particle in a phase space, what we need to do? See, look here. See, to draw the orbit of a particle in a phase space, what is phase space actually? Phase space is graph of velocity and position, or we can say graph of momentum and position. See, along with potential only we are drawing this, extending it, and here only we are going to represent the phase space. See, on y-axis we are representing P, that is momentum, and on x-axis we are representing x, that is position of the particle. So let's start here. Suppose the particle is present over here. See, if the particle is present over here, that means its total energy is E over here, and potential energy is there, that is very high. If potential energy is very high, that means kinetic energy will be less, and since this is only the total energy, so we know that total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy. Okay, and if total energy is equal to potential energy, that means kinetic energy is 0. And if kinetic energy is 0, velocity will be 0. And if velocity is 0, then momentum P is equal to mv will also be 0. So at this point we can say that momentum of particle is 0. So if we need to make the orbit of the particle in this phase space, so at this point the momentum of the particle is 0. Now you watch here that slowly and slowly this particle is moving over here. If this particle is moving here, that means its potential energy is decreasing. And if potential energy is decreasing, we know that if potential energy decreases, its kinetic energy will increase. If kinetic energy will increase, its velocity will increase. If velocity will increase, its momentum will also increase. So slowly and slowly at this point, till this point, momentum of the particle is increasing. Now again at this point we come over here. Again the potential energy is increasing. See, if potential energy increases, kinetic energy will decrease. Kinetic energy decreases, velocity decreases. Velocity decreases, momentum will decreases. So from this point, from here to here, the momentum will decrease. Now we need to remember this one. If potential energy increases, kinetic energy decreases. If potential energy decreases, kinetic increases, and if potential increases, kinetic decreases. Now come over here at this point. Sorry, it will not reach up to this point. It will reach up to this point only. This one only. It will not reach over here up to this point only. Now, from this point you can see that again the particle potential energy is decreasing. If the potential energy decreases, kinetic energy increases, velocity increases, and momentum will increase. So if the momentum will increase up to this point. So momentum will increase up to this point. Now since the particle come over here, now this particle will move here. Here again what happened? Potential energy increases, kinetic energy will decrease, velocity will decrease, so momentum will also decrease. Now particles come over here. Now again the same thing happen, that total energy of the particles become equal to the potential energy, and if total energy become equal to the potential energy, that means kinetic energy is 0, kinetic energy is 0, velocity is 0, so the momentum will also become 0. Now suppose if this particle comes back over here, if it is oscillating in this potential, and if this particle is coming back over here, that means its velocity is that means its potential energy decreases. Potential energy decreases, kinetic energy will increase, velocity will increase, so momentum will increase, but now it will be in a negative direction. So the momentum of the particle will increase up to this point. At this point you can say potential energy increases. If potential energy increases, kinetic energy decreases and velocity decreases, so momentum will decrease. So up to here, this point, the momentum of the particle will decrease. Now over here again potential energy increases, kinetic energy will increase, so momentum will increase. Up to this point. Now this particle will move over here, and if this particle is moving over here, that means potential energy is also potential energy of the particle is increasing. So in this way this graph will be complete up to here. So this is the orbit of the particle in a phase space. Now you can see from this, where does it match? Now this trajectory, this orbit match with an option A. So option A is correct. So thank you. Please share and subscribe my channel. Share it please as much as possible, and also please subscribe it. Thank you.